Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series on the job role of Electric Vehicle Service Assistant for class 9th. So let's start the video with today's content on Unit 2 Electric Vehicles and their component, Session 1 Types of Electric Vehicle, Part 3 Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicles. In this video, you will learn about plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. As you know, in the market there are several types of electric vehicles available. This includes first, battery electric vehicles BEV, second, hybrid electric vehicles HEVs, third, plugged-in hybrid electric vehicles PHEVs, fourth, fuel cell electric vehicles FCEVs, fifth, neighborhood electric vehicles NEVs. In today's session, we will discuss plug-in hybrid electric vehicles PHEVs. These are the important points which will be covered here. First, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Second, working of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Third, components of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Fourth, advantages and disadvantages of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Fifth, activities for students. First up, let's talk about plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles are also known as series hybrids. They have both an engine and a motor. You can choose among the fuels, conventional fuels such as petrol or alternative fuel such as biodiesel. It can also be powered by a rechargeable battery pack. The battery can be charged externally. So students, let's discuss the working principle of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle start up in an all-electric mode and make use of electricity until their battery's pack is depleted. Once the battery gets drained, the engine takes over and the vehicle operates as a conventional non-plug-in hybrid. PHEVs can be charged by plugging into an outside electric power source, engine or regenerative braking. When brakes are applied, the electric motor acts as a generator, using the energy to charge the battery. The engine's power is supplemented by the electric motor. Such as result, a smaller engine can be used, increasing the car's fuel efficiency without compromising performance. So viewers, here are some examples of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles: Hyundai Sonata, Kia Optima, Volvo XC90 T8. Now viewers, let's discuss the key components of a plug-in hybrid electric car. First, battery. In an electric drive vehicle, the low voltage auxiliary battery provides electricity to start the car before the traction battery is engaged. It also powers vehicle accessories. Second, charge port. The charge port allows the vehicle to connect to an external power supply to charge the traction battery pack. Third, DC-DC converter. This device converts high voltage DC power from the traction battery pack to the lower voltage DC power needed to run vehicle accessories and recharge the auxiliary battery. Fourth, electric generator generates electricity from the rotating wheel while braking, transferring that energy back to the traction battery pack. Some vehicles use motor generator that perform both the drive and the generation functions. Fifth, electric traction motor. Using power from the traction battery pack, this motor drives the wheel of the vehicles. Some vehicles use motor generator that perform both the drive and regeneration functions. Sixth, exhaust system. The exhaust system channels the exhaust gases from the engine out through the tailpipe. A three-way catalyst is designed to reduce engine out emissions within the exhaust system. 7th, fuel filler. A nozzle from a fuel dispenser attaches to the receptacle on the vehicle to fill the tank. 8th, fuel tank. This tank stores gasoline on board the vehicle until it's needed by the engine. 9th, internal combustion engine, spark ignited. In this configuration, fuel is injected into either the intake manifold or the combustion chamber, where it is combined with air, and the air-fuel mixture is ignited by the spark from the spark plug. 10th, onboard charger. It takes the incoming AC electricity supplied by the charge port and converts it to the DC power for charging the traction battery. It also communicates with the charging equipment and monitors battery characteristics such as voltage, current, temperature, and state of charge while charging the pack. 11th, power electronics controller. This unit manages the flow of electrical energy delivered by the traction battery, controlling the speed of the electrical traction motor and the torque it produces. 12th, thermal system or cooling system. This system maintains a proper operating temperature range of the engine, electric motor, power electronics, and the other components. 13. Traction battery pack. It stores electricity for use by the electric traction motor. 14. Transmission. The transmission transfers mechanical power from the engine and or electric traction motor to drive the wheels. Advantages of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So, let's discuss the advantages of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. First, lower emission than traditional vehicles, as the electric motor produces no emissions and the gasoline engine is used less frequently. Second, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles can achieve better fuel economy than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, especially in urban driving conditions where the electric motor can be used exclusively. Third, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles can offer the convenience of gasoline-powered vehicles for longer trips while still providing the benefit of electric power for shorter trips. Fourth, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles can charge the battery from an external power source. This can be done at home using a standard wall outlet or at a public charging station. Disadvantage of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So viewers, some disadvantages of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles are: first, in terms of cost, PHEVs are generally more expensive than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, but less expensive than battery electric vehicles. Second, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles also offer potential cost saving over time, as they require less fuel than traditional vehicles and can take advantages of lower electricity rates during off-peak hours. Third, some plug-in hybrid electric vehicles are also qualify for state tax credit and rebate, which can help to offset the upfront cost of the vehicles. So students, it's time for activities. You can get help from your teachers and guide too. The activities includes: first, collect the poster from the magazine and the newspaper of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles and differentiate them by their use depending upon factors such as range, cost, and intended use. So student, when you are doing these types of activity, submit your learning outcome to your teachers in school. Now it's time to summarize our video lecture session. We have learned a lot about the types of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. First, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEVs. Second, in the working principles of PHEVs. Third, the key components. Fourth, advantage of PHEVs. So that's all for today's session. Thank you for joining us on this electric adventure. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.